Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something absolutely wild, the all-new 2027 Hyundai Grand Starex. This thing has been generating serious buzz, and after seeing it up close at the showroom, I can tell you, the hype is completely justified. Let's break it down. So first impressions. The front of this van is bold. Like, seriously bold. Hyundai gave it a massive honeycomb textured grille that just dominates the face. The headlights are these stacked, angular LED units. Very geometric, very intentional. You can see they leaned hard into that sensuous sportiness design language, but applied it to a big MPV. Walk around the back and it gets even better. The black roof flowing into the white body gives this two-tone silhouette that feels premium, almost like a luxury yacht on wheels. The full-width LED light bar at the rear is stunning. That amber glow strip ties the whole rear together. Now we're talking. Open those sliding doors and you're stepping into a business class lounge. We've got quilted cream leather captain seats with full recline and leg rests. Individual armrests with wooden trim. Ambient lighting running across the ceiling. Under the hood, we're expecting Hyundai to offer a 2.2-liter CRDi turbodiesel paired with an 8-speed automatic, similar to the current Starex platform but tuned up. Power figures should land around 177 to 200 horsepower, which honestly is plenty for a van this size. There's also strong speculation about a hybrid variant down the line given Hyundai's current direction. Alright, the big question. What's this gonna cost? In South Korea, base trim should start around 45 to 50 million Korean wons with a luxury VIP variant pushing close to 70 to 80 million Korean wons. Global reveal is expected late 2026, with showroom sales opening first quarter in 2027. I'd say mark your calendars, because this one's worth waiting for.